Are asking what's going on out there near Buckeye Lake. They're concerned because they're seeing hundreds of dead fish in the water. Our new reporter, NBC4's Kenya Ramirez, talked to some neighbors out there and wildlife experts, just trying to get some answers.
Well, it might be a little hard to show you some of the dead fish from where I'm standing, but I spoke with the Ohio Department of Natural Resources and they tell me they've seen hundreds of dead fish.
We thought, how sad.
Ruthie and Bill live right on Buckeye Lake and say on Wednesday they decided to go out and enjoy the beautiful weather. So they took their boat out for a ride, and what started as a peaceful ride turned into concern.
And as we were going down the canal, we could smell something.
The couple says once they got closer, they saw it, all the fish kill. And they weren't the only ones to see it.
I just happened to see one floating in the water.
Wildlife Officer Supervisor Bill Bullard says the calls aren't surprising.
It's a naturally occurring kill. Low water temperatures, the high weather temperatures that we've had here recently. We get a lot of zooplankton growth through photosynthesis. In the evening times, the decomposition of a lot of that zooplankton reduces the dissolved oxygen, and thus we have a fish kill.
However, he says the fish kill isn't coming from Buckeye Lake.
This one's in the Ohio Canal that drains north toward Licking County.
He says so far they've seen close to 1,000 dead fish and are working to remove them.
We periodically flush the canals out, and we're going to continue to do that.
Once again, the Department of Natural Resources tells me that this is normal. Local for you, Kenya Ramirez, NBC4.
Kenya, thanks. Police